far as Lynn, I see that he has good set of hands. He has a good skill set for a 7-footer. He has post moves. He uses his left and his right. He's definitely a respectable player, and obviously we have to be aware of what he does well. But I think we have the advantage of having Adam Woodbury, who's just a great defender and presents a physicality matchup for him. So I think we got the right thing to make sure that he doesn't affect us and take over the game.
So do you feel like your season, one way or the other, has been successful just by getting here, or do you feel like you need to win to kind of validate that success?
I think a championship is just a need, because my group hasn't, since I've been here, I haven't been able to achieve anything. So that's what I think that this next step is, that we need a championship. Because a lot of people go year, having good stats, make all tournament teams, make this and that, but championships is what really makes you, the teams are.
What would that do for your team as far as propelling, I know for next year, whatever, future?
I think it just would do everything, and I think we've already feeling the energy, and I think that would just give us that extra taste of, once you taste success, you'll want more of it. And if we tasted the championship, if they were able to hoist this trophy, I think that would just, really have everybody in just championship mode, period. And, up to this point, we haven't done it, and I also think doing it, we didn't know how to get it done. So next year, again, in those close games, that whatever happened this year, those games are going our favor. Even though I feel like everything that we have experienced this year will flip next year, because we've already done it. So you don't need to do it again. We take that next step. But I think it's just something about us. I feel like winning this championship would just do to our team and what next year could be for us.
How's juggling schoolwork for you?
Say that again?
How's juggling schoolwork and playing ball this late?
It's been crazy. Luckily, my teachers, I've been communicating with them, and I've been just working with them. But it's been crazy. It's a blessing that we're winning, but we've been joking like we need to be in school. And obviously, we don't want to lose. Everybody's been joking with each other like, shoot, I need to get back in school. But it's a blessing that we're winning. So we want to. That's why we got to get the championship, because it's cost us so much for us traveling and being 3 weeks behind in school. Like, we can't leave without a championship.
So next week, or whenever you guys get back, it's going to be like, okay, here we go, 4 or 5 more weeks.
How much it costs you personally?
How much does it cost you personally? I'm kidding.